Hey, so this might be a little bit more of a direct route to importing the supervision files that you guys already create into CNC Bender, and it can work on both of the machines that you got. So you start out by clearing out the FRB page, and then you go to your tool page and you load the tool that you're going to be using. So then once you get that done, um, then your FRB page is already clear, so you go to this tab that says XYZ data and you start a new XYZ, which clears that page completely out. And then once that page is completely cleared out, then you can do an SVN, which is Supravision in, which is that $$ part. So now we're going to go through the file structure and locate the part. So I've got it on a pen drive. Um, so I'm going to choose a new path, and that path I do a password, which is 9999, and then find the removable drive in the file structure. And there's the part file that I have created. So we're going to import that. So this is the XYZ data of the part. Go up and hit this button that says Calc FRB, and it's going to use that data to fill out the FRB page. So then once you're in this page, do a little bit of customization if you need special moves. Otherwise, you can do an image of that file, look around at it, and that's what it looks like. And I mean, from there, auto build and run and see what happens.